Hey folks, I'm out here at JB Storky Wilderness Park. We're gonna do a little bird watching today with the boy here. A little bird watching now. So I heard there's some hawks out here, some cardinals and some blue jays. And we're gonna try to follow them. And I'm gonna try not to get too damn drunk here. Alright folks, follow along. Alright. Where are you little woodpeckers? Where are you? Oh shit. Almost tripped on myself now. Feels like August out here now. It's like cold and hot and cold and hot. Unbelievable. Let's see, where we gotta go to find these damn birds? I wanna look at a blue jay. Alright. What does this say? Gnome zone. Oh, we got killer gnomes around here now? I guess it's that way, the killer gnomes. I need a beer. Oh, we just started this trek and I need a damn beer. I can't find any birds around here. No birds anywhere. I hear them. I hear the little bastards. I just can't find the bastards. Let's go this way. This looks like a scary trail here. Yep, no birds in sight. As you can see, this trip has not turned out like I wanted it to. Feel like I'm actually walking around in circles right now trying to find these damn birds. It's absolutely asinine. Yep, walking around in damn circles. Haven't found a damn bird yet. Oh, my beer. Haven't found a damn bird yet, and now I'm feeling like we're lost. You know, I feel like we brought plenty of food though, so shouldn't be an issue. But we're gonna have to maybe try to figure out which way we came from. That's it right there. All I see is damn buzzards. They're waiting for me to die or something like that. They probably say this bastard's got a terrible liver. I thought I saw some hog tracks, so we might be in trouble, folks. Jesus Christ. Now, we must have got turned around or something, folks. This is ridiculous. The boy doesn't even know where we're going. Boy, give me the bag now. See what we got to eat here. Jesus Christ. What the hell? You gotta be kidding me. Jesus Christ! You ate all the damn food?
I was hungry.
You were hungry? What have you left us now? We're lost. We have one Cheeto. That's actually one Cheeto. It's broken up in two. And an Oreo cookie. That's gonna last us now? What if we out here for days, boy? He doesn't give a shit. He ate all the damn food. This is my Oreo now. Oh my God. I'm starting to get chilly. I might have to. We still haven't seen a damn bird here. It's like all the birds are dead or something in this forest. I guess I'm gonna have to kill a squirrel or something. Here's your bag back, boy. Oh my God. I didn't bring enough beer. We're just totally screwed. I think north is that way or south is that way, I don't know. I mean, he wasn't paying attention either. We're just absolutely screwed right now. I might have to do a fire. Might have to find some sticks. Let me find some sticks here. Damn sticks. Jeez. I mean, this is how you do it, right? You rub... Get out of here. You rub some sticks like that together. Like that, you know? Oh, son of a bitch. I picked a hell of a day to stop drinking. We were screwed. Oh, jeez. Looks like somebody died here even. We're really screwed. I'm starting to fight here. I need some beer. I'm lost. The kid's starting to start fire, and the woody woodpecker inside now. Somebody send out an SOS for this drunk bastard here. I had one Cheeto, just one Cheeto for lunch, and one Heineken. Please airdrop me some beer or something here. We in Wilderness B Starkey or JB Starkey, Wilderness Park, whatever the hell. And I think we might have came across some Satan worshippers or something. I don't even know. But I'm trying to be very freaking quiet here. Just send help, please. Now we're trying to find a damn way out now, so I can get some damn beer. Jesus Christ now. Oh my God. It's not a damn bird in sight. We're lost. You know, do you got a plan there, boy?
I got a plan. I remember that tree.
You remember that tree right there? Mm-hmm. Is that north or south, do you think?
South.
South? I hope he's right, folks.
I just want to tell you both good luck. We're all counting on you.
I'm fading away very, very fast. We got turned around in circles because I thought I saw a damn buzzard hawk. And I'm getting bit by damn mosquitoes here. Son of a bitch. I think the boy was right. I'm glad he's sober on this trip. You know, he's old enough to be drinking, but he chooses not to. He's a good boy. So I remember this now, because if you look over here, there's a blue marker on this damn tree, and I remember seeing it, and I said, "What's this damn blue marker?" And there it is right there. So we're headed in the right direction. We've been out here for about 3.5 damn hours. That's about 3 hours more than I should go without a beer. We found the gnome again. The boy was right. He was right. Damn. He doesn't even care. He wasn't scared at all, the boy. Well, we're a couple minutes away from the car. I can feel it. A couple minutes of me getting some damn beer back again in my throat. Oh, look, we found civilization now.
I told you so.
Oh, you little bastard. He's right now. If it wasn't for him, look, we found the cars. Oh, we did it. We did it. Now I can go to 7-Eleven and get me some damn beer. Found a way out of this mess. Oh, We're lucky we sort of passed the bar on a bicycle. Oh, Jesus Christ. That was an adventure. And we didn't even see any damn freaking birds. Unbelievable. Thanks for watching, folks. This one definitely was on the top 10 of my scaries right now. Top 10 of my scaries. Have a drink on me, folks.